Hello.
Good
Hello,
evening, sir.
sir.
Hello. Good evening
Good
to all.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. And completed homework problems.
Yes, sir, completed.
Homework problems complete. Hello.
Yes,
Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Completed 10 problems.
Sir, we have our exams going on. So we
Okay.
have
Okay.
physics exam tomorrow,
Okay.
sir. Preparing for that.
Term exams started.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And Anirudh. Keshav. Hello.
Sir, I completed my work, sir. Sir, I
Com-
completed.
completed.
I have two doubts also. Hello? Yes, I have
Tell.
doubts. I want to ask that.
Okay. Okay.
First, you can ask others, sir. Mine is very small.
Next. And Nagbhushan.
yes, sir, I completed. I have one doubt.
One doubt is there. Okay. Next. Keshav. Shiraj Nair.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Where is Imanshu? Imanshu is uh, Risha.
Yes, sir.
Today is first class, right?
Uh, Sir, I'm actually not a competitive student. I am like a board student.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't attend any of your competitive classes.
Oh, okay. And Yashes complete. Yashes. Okay. Keshav.
Sir,
Tell me which questions doubt.
sir, I completed seven, sir. Other three, I had
How
doubt.
many doubts?
Sir, this is Keshav speaking.
Ah,
I have one doubt from exercise 10.2.
10.2.
10.2, sir.
10.2
Yes,
doubt
sir.
is there.
One doubt. And
Okay.
yes, sir.
Only
And
one
one
doubt.
more
Okay.
doubt is
Nagbhushan.
10. Sir, one more also I have, sir. And tell
Two
that.
doubts. 10.2.
No, sir.
Questions?
One doubt from 10.2. That is
Okay. Tell me which question?
question number 20.
Question number 20.
Yes, sir. And 10.3,
Ah,
question number 6, second subpart.
10.3. Okay, wait.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am Nagbhushnam. Sir, I have doubt in fifth question. Third,
10.3.
yes, sir, fifth question.
Okay.
Sir, I also have a brother, same account, sir.
First 10.2, 20th problem I will explain. Okay. 10.2, 20th problem. Keshav.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now problem is point h comma k divides. Okay, sorry. By using the concept of equation of a line, prove that 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear is given. Now, equation of line passing through 2 points. First find equation of line passing through 2 points. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by
Y2 minus Y1
x2
by.
minus x1 into x minus x1, right? Now 3
Yes,
points
sir.
is
Sir,
given.
I have only one doubt, sir. Which
Ah,
2 points you should take? You can take any points, or you should take only any one set of the points. Like, I have only this doubt. Like they have given 3
So
points.
which
So, sir,
question is this, sir?
question number 20 exercise
10.2 exercise question number 20. 10.2 exercise question number 20. Now
Could you
any
tell the
2
page
points
number?
take, 2 points equation of line find. After that line
The
remaining one
point
more
should
point
be
is there,
passing
no?
through
That point
another.
substituting.
Yes, sir. The last point which is left, we should take it that, like we should say that it's in that line itself. It's lying in the line.
See,
For that, we need to substitute.
yes. See, -2 comma -2 and one more point 8. Sorry, 3 comma 0, right? 3 comma 0 and 8 comma 2. 8 comma 2. Now, first these 2 points substituting here, y minus y x1 y1 x2 y2. Now y1 0, y2 minus y1 -2 minus y1 0 upon x2 minus x1 -2 and -3 into x minus x1 3. Now y is equal to -2 by -5, -2 by -5, -2 by -5 into x minus 3, minus get cancel. Now 5y is equal to 2x minus 6. Now 2x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the line equation, correct? After that, if the point 8 comma 2 lies on it the equation of line. Substituting here, 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 6, right? Now 2 into 8, 16.
Sir,
16
someone
minus,
needs to be let in
sorry?
the meet. So someone needs to be let in the meet.
Okay. Rajwal. Okay. Now, see 2 into 8, 16. 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. Now 16 minus 10, 6 only. 6 is equal to 6. Now it is collinear. 3 points are collinear. Now, therefore,
Yes, sir. Yes.
3 comma 0 and
Yes.
-2 comma -2 and 8 comma 2 are collinear. Okay, understood, Keshav? Keshav, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, I understood.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay, next one more problem.
Sir,
Keshav.
1 minute, sir. I will copy the answer.
Note down. All of you note down. Question number, exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2, question number 20. Exercise 1.2, question number 20. Equation of a line passing through 2 points. Equation of line passing through 2 points. Equation of line passing through 2 points. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Risha, understood this problem? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Tell.
sir. Sir, the next doubt is sixth question in 10.3, second subpart.
10.3, sixth question.
That is L into x plus. Yes, sir. Second part, not the first one.
Second part.
Yes, sir.
find the distance between the parallel lines. Correct? Find the distance between the parallel lines, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Wait. Find the distance between parallel lines L into x plus y plus p is equal to 0. That question only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Important problem. Now find the distance between parallel lines L into x plus y plus p is equal to 0 and L into x plus y minus r is equal to 0. Correct? Keshav? After
Yes,
that,
sir. Yes, sir.
So we can use mod C2 minus C1 by.
now suppose, see, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now putting x is equal to 0. Now this equation Lx plus Ly plus p is equal to 0. This equation Lx plus Ly minus r is equal to 0. Now I am putting equation 1. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. That implies Ly is equal to minus p, right? Ly is equal to minus p. Y is equal to minus p by L, right? Minus p by L. Now point x comma y, point 0 comma minus p by L. Correct, Keshav?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Sir, but there is a easiest method, sir. There is a formula. We can substitute in that and get like that only. I think I understood.
This
sir.
point is
Previous.
on the line.
Yes,
0
sir.
comma minus p by L is a point on the line. Okay. Now the perpendicular distance from the point, perpendicular distance from the point 0 comma minus p by L, perpendicular distance from the point 0 comma minus p by L to the line line 2, to the line 2. Okay. Now what is the formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square mod. Okay, understood? D is equal to mod ax plus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square, right? Now substituting
Coordinates.
L into 0, L into 0 plus P into L into
X plus
minus
Lx.
L into minus P by L minus R mod under root L square
L
plus
square. L square plus L square.
L square plus L square. Now after that LL get cancelled, minus P minus R, P plus R only, no? P plus R upon
Yes, sir. Yes.
upon P plus R upon root 2 L, right?
Yes, sir.
Root 2 L square units. Root 2 L units.
So instead
Yes,
we
sir.
could have
Correct.
just used
Answer is
mod
right.
C2 minus C1
Keshav,
by
understood? Keshav?
Yes, sir. Sir, there is even another method.
Another method. Another method.
C2 minus C1 minus C2 divided by A square plus B square is there, sir.
Parallel,
That
that one
method we
also
can use.
do. No problem. That is correct.
Sir, that only I did actually for first
Ah.
question. I forgot, like, I thought something else it is, and I did.
C1 minus C2 upon under root A square plus B square.
Yes, sir, same thing.
Ah. Next, Nagabhushan.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, no, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Okay.
My doubt, sir.
Okay. Next, remaining students. Any students? Any doubt? Okay. Next. See, all of you complete the first
Sir?
10 problems.
Sir, I just wanted to say that I am also in the part of the same account of Nagbhushnam. So Nagbhushnam and Gopala is there in the account.
Nagbhushan,
And Gopala.
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 Gopala. Who is, okay. Nagbhushan and Gopala. Okay. Okay. Tell me.
Gopala Krishna, sir.
Gopala Krishna.
Okay, sir. You can call anything.
Okay.
I have no doubt, sir.
Doubts is there?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And next, some important problems, distance between lines and distance of a point from a line. Okay. Problem is note down. Distance of a point from a line. See, problem note down. First one. In a triangle with vertices point A 2 comma 3 and point B 4 comma minus 1 and point C minus 1 comma 2 find the length of the altitude from the vertex A. Tell me. All of you do. In a triangle with vertices, 3 points is given. Find the length of the altitude from the vertex A. How to solve? Risha,
Yes, sir.
how to solve this one?
Sir, we can find the equation of the line BC, and then we can use the formula AX.
Equation of line passing through these 2 points, right?
Yes, sir. And then
Okay.
we can
Then
use
after that,
perpendicular
vertex A
distance.
find.
Yes, sir.
Distance from
We can
length of
use,
altitudes.
yes, sir, mod of AX1
Okay,
plus.
okay, okay, okay.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, what's the answer?
answer. Answer you want?
Yes, sir.
14 upon root 34. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you complete? All of you complete? I will explain. Anirudh complete? Anirudh? Anavadya. Today is first class, right? Anavadya, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Today is first class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Anirudh complete? Bhargav?
Sir, doing so.
Okay, listen. We have vertices of a triangle ABC. Point A 2, 3, point B 4, -1, and point C -1, 2. Now equation of a line passing through 2 points, B point and C point, 4, -1 and C -1, 2. Now what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now substituting x1 y1, x2 y2. Now y minus y1 plus 1 is equal to y2 minus y1, 2 minus plus 1 upon -1 minus 4 into x minus 4. Now y plus 1 is equal to 3 upon -5 into x minus 4. After that,
Sir, you can find slope of the equation. Like,
now cross multiply.
yes, sir. After that, we need to find the slope.
5y plus 5y plus 5 is equal to -3x plus 12. Now 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. After that, the length of the altitudes, the length of a altitude vertex vertex A, 2 comma 3, underline 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, what is the formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Now substituting 3 into 2 plus 5 into 3 into 2 plus 5 into 3 into 2 plus 5 into 3 minus 7 upon under root a square, 3 square plus 5 square, 3 square plus 5 square. Now 6 plus 15 minus 7, 14, 14 upon 9 plus 25, 25 plus 9, 34, under root 30. Okay, next problem, note down. Very, very important. Very, very important problem. If P and Q are the, if P and Q are the, if P and Q are the length of perpendicular from the origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta, x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, and x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k respectively, respectively prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Most important.
Sir, done, sir.
Done? Complete?
Yes, sir. You need to
Okay.
use normal form.
Normal?
Normal form.
Very important problem.
Yes, sir. Normal forms.
Yes, correct. Remaining students, Anavadya.
Doing so.
Okay. Nagabhushan, complete?
Sir, I'm not getting it.
Not getting. See, length of the perpendicular from origin 0, 0. From origin 0, 0. And the line is given. First line. X cos theta minus
Okay, yes,
y
sir.
sin theta
Yes, sir,
is
got
equal
it.
to k cos 2 theta.
Yes, sir, got it. We need to substitute distance
And
form.
next, second line, same length of the perpendicular from the origin 0, 0. And second line, ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. Then adding 3 and 4. This is equation 1, given 2 lines, 1 and 2. And after that, length of the perpendicular from origin. I will explain. Risha, complete?
No, sir, I'm doing it.
Anavadya, complete? Bhargav?
Sir, doing.
See, equation 1, x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta. Equation 1. X secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k. This is equation 2. Now, length of perpendicular from origin 0, 0. From origin 0, 0 in 1. Now origin 0, 0 means this one is 0 and remaining k cos 2 theta upon under root remaining cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to P is equal to k cos 2 theta by upon cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 only, right? K cos 2 theta. K cos 2 theta. Now P is equal to k cos 2 theta. Now squaring, P square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta. Cos square 2 theta. Now second. Same thing, length of perpendicular from origin 0 0 into now q na q is equal to secant x secant theta plus this one also 0. Now remaining k upon under root secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Now reciprocal of secant cos 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. 1 by secant reciprocal cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta is equal to, now take LCM, k upon under root sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Now after that k upon 1 by cos theta into sin theta. After that k into sin theta cos theta. Q is equal to k into sin theta. This one is 3. This
Sir,
is
we can write it
this
in terms of cos 2 theta.
huh? Keshav?
We can write equation 4 in terms of
Equation 4?
sin 2 theta, sir. Like
Okay, square. Sorry. Okay.
Sir, q is equal to k sin. That we can further write. That's why.
See, this one is note down, all of you. First, left side note down. Anavadya completed. Anirudh, Bhargav. Say yes or no. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. P square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta. This is equation 3. Now q square k square k into sin theta cos theta whole square. Okay. Squaring on both the sides, q is equal to k sin theta into cos theta. Squaring on both the sides, q square. Where is the mistake? P square q is equal to k sin theta cos theta. Okay, both the sides multiply 4. First multiply 4. 4q is equal to, but why? Because here 4q square is given. P square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Now 4q is equal to 4k sin theta cos theta. Now squaring. 4q square is equal to 4k. 4k into sin theta cos theta whole square. Right? Correct? P square.
No, sir. They are asking for Q square. 4 into Q square.
Okay, 4 into Q, right? Okay. Q is equal to K into sin theta cos theta. Okay. 4 4Q 4 multiply 4
Sir, it's 4Q square, no, sir. Sir?
okay, this one is 4Q, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Huh?
That's not 4Q, sir.
Okay, not 4.
Sir, in the question there is 4Q square. But here, sir, you wrote only 4Q.
4Q is equal to 4K sin theta cos theta, right?
Sir, we need to multiply another Q, no, sir.
So we can take 2Q, we can multiply both sides by 2 and then square it.
Okay, correct. 2 multiply. 2 multiply both the sides. 4Q square is equal to 2K sin theta cos theta whole square is equal to 4Q square is equal to 4. 2 sin theta
Sir,
cos theta sin 2
sin
theta
2 theta.
sin 2 theta,
2
right?
theta.
Sin 2 theta sin 2 theta sin square 2 theta, right? Sin square 2 theta. 4Q square is equal to K square sin square 2 theta. After that, this is equation 4, right? Now adding 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. Now adding 3 and 4, P square plus 4Q square is equal to K square sin square 2 theta plus K square cos square 2 theta is equal to K square common sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. Now is equal to K square into 1 is equal to K square. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, next one, next problem. Find the points on the y-axis. Find the points on the y-axis. Find the points on the y-axis whose perpendicular distance distance perpendicular distance from the line from the line 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 is 3. Find the points on the y-axis whose perpendicular distance from the line 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 is 3. Find points on the y-axis.
Sir, is that 12 or plus 2?
12 or
Sir, is it minus 12?
minus 12? Minus 12. 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0.
Finish, sir.
Hmm? Distance is 3. Completed, Risha?
Yes, sir.
Tell me answer.
0, comma 1 or 0, comma minus 9?
0, comma minus 7.
Minus 9.
Yes, correct. Remaining students complete. Anirudh. Keshav. Nagabhushan.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Keshav. Bhargav.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
Okay. Prajwal.
Sir, drawing.
Yashes. Anavadya complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next Anirudh complete. Anirudh. Anirudh, are you hear me? Anirudh. Bhargav. Bhargav.
Doing, sir. 1
Hey,
minute.
how much time you will take? Shiraj Nair. See, listen. Let 0, comma y1 be the point 0 comma y1 be the point whose perpendicular distance from the line 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 is 3. Now mod ax1 plus by1 plus c under root a square plus b square is equal to 3. Now substituting 4 into 0 plus minus 3 into y1 minus 3 into y1 minus 12 upon under root 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 3. Minus 3y1 minus 12 minus 3y1 minus 12 upon under root 4 square 16 plus 9 25 root 25 is equal to 3. After that minus 3y1 minus 12 upon 5 minus plus or minus 3. Now minus 3y1 minus 12 upon 5 is equal to 3 and minus 3y1 minus 12 upon 5 is equal to minus 3. Then we will get required points. First equation y1 is equal to 9, right? y1 is equal to 9. Second one, y1 is equal to 9, minus 9, sorry, minus 9. And the second equation, y1 is equal to
1.
1, right? y1 is equal to 1. Now, required points. 0 comma 1 0 comma 1 and 0 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 9. Zero comma minus 9. Okay, next problem. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line midway between the parallel lines 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 6y 3x plus 2y, sorry, 2y plus 6 is equal to 0.
Sir, we have a formula for this, right?
Find the equation of the line midway between the parallel lines 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then here divided by 3. 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. Divided by 3. 3x plus
Sir.
2y.
Sir, what is the answer? Can you tell? I want to check. What is
Answer.
the answer, sir?
3x plus 2y
Yes, sir.
plus 11 by 6 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 11 by 6. Lambda value is 11 by 6. Lambda value is 11 by 6 is equal to 0. Let equation of a line midway between the parallel lines 1 and 2. Let us take 3x plus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0. Plus lambda is equal to 0. Then we have to find lambda.
Sir, we have a
Distance between the
formula.
lines 1 and 3.
Yes, sir. We
Sir,
have
is
learned
it
a
lambda?
formula.
Huh?
9x plus 6y? Or
9,
what
Sir, we have learned a formula for this.
9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 7 by 3. Sorry. Minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. Minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. Distance between the lines 1 and 3 is equal to distance between the lines 2 and 3. C1 minus C2 by C1 minus C2 upon under root a square plus b square is equal to C1 minus C2 upon under root a square plus b square. Nagabhushan, complete?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, there is a formula, sir. There is a formula. AX plus BY plus C1 plus C2 by 2 is equal to 0.
No. Distance between parallel lines. What is the formula? C1 minus C2 upon under root a square plus b square.
Sir,
So
but
Sir, you need only equation now, sir. Why you need distance now?
Huh?
You need only equation. They are talking about equation formula.
These two are parallel, no?
We have sir, parallelly, sir, they are equidistant. For that, sir, our previous sir had given one formula. That formula.
Which formula?
Sir, if the equations are ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0, then the midway parallel line is x plus by plus c1 plus c2 by 2 equal to 0.
Okay. Yes,
Sir,
correct only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. And the family of lines through intersection of two given lines completed?
Sir, no, sir, we didn't do that, sir.
Okay. All of you complete? Next concept. Family of lines through the
Sir, there is also another concept we didn't do, sir.
Huh?
Sir, we didn't do relative point to sorry, 2 points relative to a point to a line, sir.
Two points.
Sir, position of 2 points relative to line.
Okay.
Sir, that we didn't do.
That is not complete.
No, sir, that's not completed.
Okay. Equation of a line passing through a given point and making a given angle with a line.
Sir, no, sir, not that one.
Which one? Distance between parallel lines over. Distance of a point from a line is over. Position of
Sir.
2 points, right?
Yes, sir, position of 2 points.
Position of 2 points relative to a line.
Yes, sir, that only, sir.
Okay. First, this one complete.
Okay, sir.
Family of lines, important. Family of lines through the intersection of two given lines. The intersection of two given lines. Given lines. The equation of the family of family of lines passing through a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 into plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. First line equation plus second line equation plus lambda into second line equation is equal to 0. Let us take L1 plus lambda into L2 is equal to 0. First line plus lambda into second line is equal to 0. Equation of family of lines passing through a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let us take L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0.
Sir, can you tell the here?
Sorry?
Sir, family of lines passing through the
equation of
No, sir. The heading.
Equation of the
topic heading, sir.
Equation of the family. Sorry, tell me, Keshav.
Sir, the first thing, the family of lines through the
intersection of two given lines. Intersection of two given lines. Intersection of two given lines. See, for example, see, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection, of x plus 2y x plus 2y is equal to 5 and x minus 3y is equal to 7 and passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. The point 2 comma minus 3. See, find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of two lines and passing through one point. Now, first line plus lambda, second line is equal to 0. Now, point substituting given equation. Now, first line plus lambda, second line. Now, first line plus x plus 2y minus 5 plus lambda into x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Correct? The equation of any line through the point of intersection of given lines, these two lines, 1 and 2. First line plus lambda, second line is equal to 0. This is equation. First line is x plus 2y is equal to 5, equation 1, and the second line x minus 3y is equal to 7. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. Now after that, the point 2 comma minus 3, lies on 3. Substituting here 2 comma minus 3, 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 5 plus lambda into 2 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then lambda is equal to, lambda find, two plus 2 into minus 3 minus 5 plus lambda into 2 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then lambda find. Lambda, Nagabhushan? Lambda is equal to
11 by 4. 11 by 4.
11 by 4.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
So could you explain it again? I'm so sorry. Could you explain it once more?
Okay. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of two lines and passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. Now, given lines, first line x plus 2y is equal to 5 and the second line x minus 3y is equal to 7. Then what is the equation? First line plus lambda, second line is equal to 0. Now, first line plus lambda, second line is equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
After that, now passing through the point, that point lies on equation 3. That point lies on equation 3. Now substituting in place of xy 2 comma minus 3. Now 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 5 plus lambda into 2 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then find lambda. Lambda is equal to 11 by 4. Lambda is equal to 2 minus 6 minus...
Yes, 11 by 4 only.
Minus 4, 2, 6 minus 11 plus lambda into 2 plus 9 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now minus 9 plus lambda into 11. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7.
Sir, it's
4.
9 by 4. It's 9 by 4.
Is equal to 0. Minus 9 is equal to minus 4 lambda. Now lambda is equal to 9 by 4. Lambda is equal to 9 by 4. Now lambda value substituting in equation 3. Lambda value substituting in equation 3. Then That is the final answer. Final answer. Final answer. Now x plus, problem x plus 2y, x plus 2y minus 5 plus 9 by 4 into x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then denominator cross multiply, 4x plus 8y minus 20 plus 9x minus 9 3s are 27 y and minus 63 is equal to 0. Then final equation, (13x minus 19y
minus 83 is equal to 0.
minus 83 is equal to 0. 13x minus 19y minus 19y minus 83 is equal to 0. All of you understood, Risha?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Anna, very important formula, and 3D and 2D also. This is 2D, 3D, a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. 3D geometry. D1 and D2 is. Next problem. Find the equation of the line through the intersection of lines x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0, and which is parallel to important problem, 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the line through the intersection of lines find the equation of the line through the intersection of lines x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 0, and which is parallel to 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Parallel lines, M1 is equal to M2. Perpendicular lines, M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. How to do this one? See, before problem is point is given. This problem is parallel to line is given.